So guys, I'm now done shopping. Hey guys, welcome to my exploration and adventurous channel. In this video, we are shopping at Superspar. So buckle up, fasten up your seatbelts because we are going to enjoy. Hello guys, so today I want to do a normal shopping at Spa right here. Yeah, it's a normal shopping. How shopping is like here in South Africa, right? Yeah, I'm enjoying, guys. I'm really enjoying shopping. So
there's a knock at the door, but don't freeze in your tracks. It's the chance that you've been waiting for. It's the light coming through the cracks. When light shows an open door, come on, step through. A chance like the purest gold. Come on, when life shows an further away. Don't lose sight like those times before.
guys, I hope you're enjoying the shopping with me, right? Because I'm enjoying it. This one is familiar in Zimbabwe, Jacobs. Yeah, there's also, I think that's the only one I know here. This one I My favorite section. We are now doing the payments, as you can see. So these are the things that I've just shopped here. As you can see, a lot of things. So we're now ready to pay. That's what we are up to. So guys, I'm now done shopping. So yeah, I'm just done shopping. So these are the things that I shopped. Yeah, as well as some other stuff. So I'm really enjoying. It's quite enjoyable. Bye for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching.